Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Residents from the Jiangong community in Pingtung County's Xinpi town are mostly descended from Hakka people who immigrated from China's Guangdong province. The crown jewel of the area is the Jiangong Forest Family Park. Once a deserted and ruined place, the forest park was reconstructed and given new life by conscientious residents.
屏东县新皮乡建工社区的先民，大都来自广东的客家族群。这里仍保有古意盎然的钟家伙房。位于该社区建工森林清水公园，曾经一度荒芜败坏不堪，后来经过社区居民整建复育后，才让这个生态公园重现生机。
Hi everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. Recently, we've gone to many fun places in southern Taiwan, so what other new places can we check out this time?
一禮拜後，係你帶大家到一個屏東縣哦。屏東縣最有名嘅就位算到新皮鄉。
Okay, so I know you said Pingtung Yan, so we must be talking about Pingtung Xian. Where in Pingtung County are we going?
新皮鄉就是新皮鄉，
新皮鄉 so Xinpi Township in Pingtung County.
一片後有一間當有名嘅百年老店雜貨店，就係阿蘇狗雜貨店。因為它已經有100年歷史。
Okay, so don't forget if you go to Xinpi Township in Pingtung to stop by the very, very old grocery store, as I usually call it in English, because it has a lot of interesting things. It's a place you don't want to miss. 那除了这个杂货店以外呢，还有什么呢？
那我哋新皮鄉哈，一片有一家建工清水工業，那在這裡面哈，第一片就會看到當到植物，還包括就會看到火焰蟲。
Did I hear the word for bug here? 蟲嗎？
螢火蟲，火焰蟲。
Oh, okay. So it's the good old firefly. But anyway, so once we're down here in Xinpu, we can check out the Jiangong Water Park, which has been fixed up by the residents there. And the park is famous because there's a lot of fireflies. 有很多这个萤火虫啊。錯。
錯就是
對。
好，那個哈，啲嘅清水公園啊，了嘅當橋嘅哈，做得都順康哦，當有名嘅羊肉湯來食，看下羊肉料理非常有名。
羊肉 Okay, so it's very famous for its goat or for its mutton food and soup and things like that. So 羊肉要怎麼說？
羊肉。
So that's it for today's talk about Hakka on ICRT. I'm Tim Berge.
我係 Leo，什麼大家按時寫走了了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.